took from me. I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right. All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
One, two, three, go!
Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, I'm so glad that I found you. Now I got someone to embrace. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever wanted to be apart. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right.
Here and at the venue.
Ating mga qualifiers for the international trip for the Bacolod 2022-2023.
You are the top 5% of the company, and I really give so much regard to all of you for being here. And you really represent the highest of the level of Macaulay.
Definitely a well-deserved reward for all the hard work, the dedication, the achievements you accomplished in the previous year.
So you're really the best of the best, and I really would like to congratulate you and let you know on how proud I am of your accomplishment.
And I'd like to thank dito sa kwartong ito ngayong gabi, kayong mga Macaulay Club International, hindi kayo nagkukulang sa pagmamahal kay Sunlight. At medyo maasahan kayo ipaglalaban si Sunlight hanggang dulo. In fact, it applies also to your own families.